Biotechnology in India and Global Trends I Biotechnology in India. The recombinant DNA technology has the major thrusts in most of the developing countries. In 1982, Government of India set up an official agency, the National Biotechnology Board, NBTB, which started functioning under the Department of Science and Technology DST. In 1986, NBTB was replaced with a full-fledged department, the Department of Biotechnology DBT, under the Ministry of Science and Technology for planning, promotion and of various biotechnological programs. The DBT is making effort in promoting postgraduate education and research special MSc courses in biotechnology in selected group of institution with scholarship are provided by the DBT. The selection of students is done via national test. In addition, it also provides trained manpower for the rapidly growing biotech industry. It has also raised the level of biology in certain areas of biotechnology in the country. Moreover, a considerable amount of basic biochemical and molecular biology is imposed. India has the DBT, DST, CSIR, ICAR, ICMR and LARI, and other agencies which are working under the government. These agencies and the other national and international industries are manufacturing biotech products and marketing them after clinical trials. A Technology Development Board (TDB) has been set up by the government for the promotion of product development. The TDB works with universities, industries and the national institutes. The Technology Information, Forecasting and Assessment Council (TIFAC) has prepared a Vision 2020 document which consists of biotechnology also. Since 1980s, India has supported a lot to biotechnology industry and its products. Teaching and research of biotechnology have been included in universities' syllabi both at undergraduate and postgraduate levels. DBT-supported departments are running in several universities and institutions. It is hoped that India will play a key role in future as one of the largest market of the world, and as a producer of biotech products. International Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology ICGEB. The United Nations Industrial Development Organization UNIDO recognized the potential of genetic engineering and biotechnology for promoting the economic progress of the developing countries. The initiation taken by UNIDO has led to the foundation of ICGEB. In 1981, in a meeting convened by UNIDO, it was proposed to establish an international center of excellence to foster biotechnology in the developing world. In 1982, this concept was approved by a high-level conference of developed and developing nations in Belgrade. The statutes of the center were signed by 26 countries with the entry into force of statutes on February 3, 1994. The ICGEB has a fully autonomous international organization composing of at present 33 member states. The ICGEB has its two centers, one located in Trieste, Italy, and the other in Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi, India. The Trieste component is currently about 5.7 m Rn2 area, whereas the New Delhi component is occupying about Rn2 area. This center is functioning in a proper way since 1982. The organs of ICGEB are the Secretariat, the Board of Governors and the Council of Scientific Advisors. The Secretariat component is the Director. Two heads of the components and the scientific and administrative staff fitting with the framework of the ICGEB program. The Board of Governors consists of a representative of each member state. The Council of Scientific Advisors is of eminent scientists and oversees scientific excellence of ICGEB. Funds are provided by the Government of Italy and India from 1999. All member states have started to finance ICGEB through a scale of assessment adopted by the Board of Governors. The activities of ICGEB are aimed specifically at strengthening the R&D capability of its member states by providing the developing countries with a necessary critical masses environment to pursue and advance the research in biotechnology, host research facilities that are technology and capital demanding and, therefore, inaccessible to the great majority of developing countries, training schemes and collaborative research with affiliated centers to ensure that significant members of scientists from member states are trained in state-of-art technology in areas of direct relevance to the specific problems of their countries, and acting as the coordinating hub of network of affiliated centers that serve as localized nodes for distribution of information and resources located at ICGEB. Initially a total of 6 centers were set up at various universities institution namely, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi, Madurai Kamraj University, Madurai, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore, National Botanical Institute, Lucknow, and Bose Institute, Kolkata. In addition, the other centers for biotechnology in India are Indian Agricultural Research Institute IARI, Jawaharlal Nehru University JNU, Delhi University, Indian Veterinary Research Institute IVRI, Izzatnagar, UP, Central Food and Technology Research Institute, CF Tri, Mysore, National Dairy Research Institute, NDRI, Karnal, Haryana, Malaria Research Center, MRC, Delhi. Regional Research Laboratory, RRL, Jammu. Central Drug Research Institute, CDRI, and Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants, SAMAP. Lucknow. Indian Institute of Technology IIT Kanpur, Madras, Bombay and New Delhi. Other centers to which DBT has provided infrastructures facilities are Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, Allahabad University, MK University. Madurai. Anna University, Madras, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, Pune University. Pune. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, Baba Atomic Research Center, BARC, Bombay, etc. Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, the late Prime Minister of India, laid a foundation stone on October 4, 1988 the center IARI with the name, Lal Bahadur Center for Biotechnology. Many public and private institutions working under the government departments and organizations have advised the DBT to formulate the biotechnology programs under the following areas. I. Plant molecular biology and agricultural biotechnology. E. Biochemical engineering, process optimization and bioconversion. E. Aquaculture and marine biotechnology, IV. Fuel. Fodder, biomass and green cover. V. Medical biotechnology. V. Microbial and industrial biotechnology. V. Large-scale use of biotechnology. V. Integrated systems in biotechnology. X. Veterinary biotechnology and X. Infrastructural facilities. In India, the pharmaceutical industry is very strong and vibrant with expertise for chemical drugs. It has little experience in biotech diagnostics and no experience in biotech. Moreover, pharma industry is located between Mumbai and Ahmedabad. 900/0 of drug production in India is in Gujarat and Maharashtra. There is no government institution or university within this area to help pharma industry. However, for a variety of reasons, the Indian pharmaceutical industry will sooner or later enter in manufacturing of biotechnology-based diagnostics and therapeutics. Needs for future development. A few developing countries like India have scientists and technologists related to biotechnology where national strategies of development in biotechnology could be implemented. The scientific and technical manpower has to be properly shifted towards new biotechnology with the aim to produce expertise in biotechnology. In a keynote address, Bakhawat and Banerjee 1985 have described the impact of biotechnology on third world countries. They emphasized, Indian bioscientists must be trained to utilize their knowledge and expertise for application and orientation. For example, a microbiologist must be trained in microbial genetics to be really useful in fermentation technology, or a botanist must be trained in cell culture, protoplast fusion or DNA recombination for practical utility, and similarly, from traditional disciplines in life science may be trained to reorient their knowledge towards application and process of training readjusted according to need. In India, most of the universities have started teaching biotechnology at undergraduate level. However, at postgraduate level teaching and research have been initiated only by a few universities, institutes on all India entrance test basis. Government of India has selected many thrust areas of national and international relevance as described earlier. 2. Global scenario. Day by day biotechnology products are increasing in world market. The high value-added biotechnology product to be used in medical field are now in domination for the last few years. The countries which have boosted up biotechnology R&D during the past 2 decades are the USA, UK, Japan, France, Australia, Russia, Poland, Germany, as well as India, among the developing countries. The most effective means of promoting international cooperation is through networks. The international networks devoted to applied microbiology, biotechnology or the Regional Microbiology Network for Southeast Asia, and the Network of Microbiological Resource Centers (MICRENs). To foster biotechnology inventions, the U.S.A. promotes enterprises through policy development and support. Funding for basic scientific research at the National Institute of Health (NIH) has been supported. The U.S. administration has boosted up the process for improving new medicines so that these may be quickly and safely available in market. The private sector research investment and small business development have also been encouraged through the incentives. Position of therapeutic proteins and vaccines up to June 1998 by the USA has been given in Table I.6. The international markets have been opened for biotechnology research and biotech products. One of the world's best examples of partnership has been established by developing public databases. It enables the scientists to tie up with an enterprise. This has helped in developing partnership among university research, government, and private industries. Science education has been improved. Guidelines have been prepared so that science-based regulatory programs can promote public biosafety, earn public confidence, and can guarantee fair and open international market. The other countries, such as UK, Japan, Germany, France, Australia, etc., have also prepared similar guidelines for promotion of biotechnology products and bio-business. See Table 1.6. Potential of modern biotechnology. The modern biotechnology is expected to solve many problems arising at the global level. In 21st century growth and